Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for another video of how to draw tutorial series. I am really appreciating that you are watching my videos and hope you have been learning a lot. In this episode, I am going to tell you how to give your sketches a three-dimensional quality. But before that, I request you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and tap the notification bell to get my upcoming videos to you. So let's get started with this new tutorial. When we try to draw something realistically or from still life, we are actually visualizing in our mind how a 3D object will look like on paper, because in reality the objects which we are actually draw here on a paper, it's in 2D effect because they have no physical depth. So today I'm going to tell you how to change 2D drawing into 3D drawing. So now I'm going to draw here 2D objects which is being transformed into 3D by adding some faces. Like here you can see this is a square. Now I'm going to add additional faces here. So to better visualize, I am going to here do shading. So now you can see this is a 2D object and now it turns into 3D. By adding multiple faces here, we can change 2D objects into 3D. Now you can see here is a depth or illusion of depth. You can change like this many shapes. Like here it is a triangle which is in 2D shape. Now I am going to draw 3D objects from this shape only. So now you can see I am just adding some faces here, and now I will do shading to visualize you better. So now it looks like a 3D object. Like this you can change so many shapes or so many 2D objects into 3D objects. To change this kind of shape into a 3D shape, we used contour lines. So now I'm going to show you how to use contour lines. Like this is a circle. I roughly draw this. To show you how to use contour lines. Why we use contour lines? Because they follow the form of the object. Contour lines can run in any direction along the surface of object to help you create the illusion of form and giving the object a more meaningful shape. Like here I am going to draw this one. And I am going to do some contour lines here. So now you can see this is the illusion which we made for this kind of shapes. Now it can look like a cone. We can use contour lines to draw faces, to define surfaces, Basically it helps us to find out where to place features on the face, like eyes, nose, etc. And now I'm going to show you a picture. I'm going to draw here a picture of a bird. So here I've drawn this bird and add this. And now I'm going to show you how to draw this perfectly by using the contour lines. Actually, I have to draw a bird which has tilted face. So now I'm going to show you how to draw perfectly by using contour lines. I've drawn the same bird here. So now you can see I've drawn this bird here and this bird here. Now you can see I have drawn this bird here and this bird with contour lines. You can see how perfectly I have drawn this. Because I wanted to draw a tilted facing bird. So by using these contour lines, you can draw perfectly as you wish to draw. You can use your imagination to think of where you can use this technique. Like you can use this to making a globe or making a solar system, Earth, Mars, whatever, or making a stomach of a person or a ring, etc. So whatever you want to draw, you can imagine and you can draw by using this contour line. Contour lines can also be used to define curves. So now I am going to show you how you can use these curves to draw a flower. Here I am going to draw a flower. So as you can see, so here you can see I have drawn this flower. When you look at the flower on the right, the stripes of each petal are curved. So the curves follow the shape of each petal. So this way you can draw by using contour lines the curved surfaces, or you can define the curves. The more curved lines are, the more fuller it looks like. So the next question is, when you should draw in 3D? So the possible answer is, you can draw anything or in anywhere whenever is it possible. Like you are going to draw a car, so you imagine it and visualize in your mind in your 3D shape, and you can draw that on your paper like that by using 3D effect. To draw using shapes or 3D shapes, it is very quick and simple method because it doesn't account for perspective. You are not going to that level at this time. As a beginner, you have to draw by using only 3D shapes. So how you can draw in 3D. So now I'm going to tell you about how you can do it. So you first draw a square here and draw another square behind that, which is lighter than that, so it will look it is further away. Now you can connect the vertices, and to define it you can shade it this part. So now it looks in 3D. For shapes with round edges, I am going to show you how you can draw in 3D. Like I am drawing here a circle. Now we will draw same circle here, small one, and then we can connect it. Shade this part darker, and this part lighter. If you size your shapes differently like here, it will give your drawing an added layer of depth. So the freehand method is very quick, but it's not very accurate like we will do in perspective, which we will learn later. So now I'm going to show you how you can draw cylindrical shapes in 3D like cups and jars. I'm going to make a cylinder shape here. You can add ellipses at the top or the bottom of the shape, so it will give you the illusion of cylindrical shape in 3D. Now it will look like this. So this way you can draw any kind of 2D object into 3D object by adding the ellipses at the top and the bottom in the cylindrical shapes. The method of contour lines can also be used to draw faces. Like you can change the direction you want your subject to face by changing the diameter of each ellipsis or ring. Like I am going to draw here a circle. It's a face. Now this is a front face. I'm going to change this in a right way or a right direction or in a left direction by using these contour lines. You can see these contour lines are in left direction, and here I am going to draw another one which is facing towards the right direction. So this way you can make faces also in opposite directions. Contour lines also helps you turn irregular 2D shapes into 3D. You can change the influence of how the viewer perceives your drawing by manipulating the contour lines. So here I am going to show you how you can do this, how you can change the perceptions of a viewer. I have drawn this, a circle, adding the contour lines. Now I am going to add some shading here, so it will look perfect. Contour line plus shading will give you an illusion of irregular objects in 3D. So if your lines curve near the edge of your object, it makes the viewer think that there is more on the other side, which magically lifts the object of the page. So you can use contour lines for changing irregular objects, for changing irregular objects from 2D to 3D. In short, I am going to tell you about whole episode that you can make things look 3D by indicating that your subject has multiple planes by adding vertices, faces, edges in your 2D shape, and use contour lines for irregular objects like here circles, etc. You can change 2D into 3D. You should always sketch in 3D because your final drawings will look more accurate. To draw a 3D objects with vertices, draw another shape just like this in a lighter form, and then connect the vertices and then shade it. So this way you can draw 2D to 3D. The best way to learn this method is by practicing more and more and drawing contour lines on a paper. You can take the reference from the internet or the Google images. You can search object wireframe and study the image, and you can use this as a reference and while you practicing drawing contour lines. So the assignment for you is you can turn 15 2D objects into 3D sketches and practice more and more. This is all about this episode. Let's meet in another video.